Mesothelioma is a rare but deadly form of cancer that is primarily caused by exposure to asbestos. Those who have been diagnosed with this devastating disease often find themselves in a complex and emotionally charged situation. Mesothelioma lawyers play a crucial role in helping victims and their families seek justice and compensation for the harm they have suffered due to asbestos exposure. In this blog for YouTube, we will explore the essential role of mesothelioma lawyers and the steps to take if you or a loved one is affected by this disease. Understanding mesothelioma and asbestos exposure. Before we dive into the role of mesothelioma lawyers, it's vital to understand the connection between mesothelioma and asbestos exposure. Asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral that was once widely used in construction, shipbuilding, and various industries due to its fire-resistant and insulating properties. However, asbestos can release tiny fibers into the air when disturbed, and when inhaled or ingested, these fibers can lead to serious health issues, including mesothelioma. The crucial role of mesothelioma lawyers. Legal expertise. Mesothelioma cases are legally complex. Mesothelioma lawyers are specialized in personal injury and asbestos litigation. They possess a deep understanding of the laws surrounding asbestos exposure and the legal remedies available to victims. Investigation and evidence gathering. One of the primary responsibilities of mesothelioma lawyers is to investigate the source of asbestos exposure. They work diligently to gather crucial evidence, including employment history, medical records, and witness testimonies, to build a strong case. Determining liability. Identifying the responsible parties for asbestos exposure can be a challenging task. It may include employers, manufacturers, and distributors of asbestos-containing products. Mesothelioma lawyers meticulously research and identify these entities. Negotiating with asbestos trust funds. Many companies responsible for asbestos exposure have established trust funds to compensate victims. Mesothelioma lawyers are skilled at negotiating with these trust funds to ensure victims receive fair compensation. Litigation expertise. In cases where negotiations are not fruitful, mesothelioma lawyers are prepared to represent their clients in court. They advocate for their rights before a judge and jury, fighting for the justice and compensation they deserve. Steps to take if affected by mesothelioma. If you or a loved one is diagnosed with mesothelioma, it's crucial to take these steps. Seek medical care. Consult a medical specialist experienced in treating mesothelioma to ensure you receive the best possible care. Consult a mesothelioma lawyer. Reach out to an experienced mesothelioma lawyer to discuss your case and explore your legal options. Many law firms offer free consultations to evaluate the viability of your case. Gather information. Provide your attorney with all relevant information, including your medical history, employment history, and any other details related to your asbestos exposure. Stay informed. Work closely with your mesothelioma lawyer to understand the progress of your case and any potential settlements. Conclusion. Mesothelioma is a devastating illness often caused by asbestos exposure, and victims deserve justice and compensation for their suffering. Mesothelioma lawyers are essential in this process, offering their expertise to help victims and their families navigate the complex legal landscape surrounding asbestos-related cases. If you or a loved one is affected by mesothelioma, don't hesitate to consult a mesothelioma lawyer to explore your legal options and seek the justice you rightfully deserve. Your attorney can be your advocate in the journey towards compensation and closure in the face of this challenging disease.